Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. How do you reverse a dictionary using comprehension? So if you have ever worked with dictionaries in Python, you know how powerful they are. But have you ever needed to reverse a dictionary? So that's what we are diving into today. In this video, we'll cover what it means to reverse a dictionary, how to do it using dictionary comprehension, and some common pitfalls. And we'll go step by step through real world example. So by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to reverse a dictionary, but you'll understand it. So firstly, let us understand what reversing a dictionary literally means. So let's say we have a dictionary. So firstly, let's create a dictionary. So this is the original dictionary, and to reverse it, it means we want to make the values into keys and the keys into values. So what we can say is we just want the opposite. So let's create its reversed dictionary. So now this only works if the values are unique and hashable, and we'll get into those edge cases later. So now let's see another basic code which shows us dictionary comprehension. So now I'll tell you how we do it with dictionary comprehension line by line. So firstly, these let's take this original dictionary. So this is our original dictionary, and now what we'll do is we'll create the reversed dictionary. So here in the first line, what we did, we start with a simple dictionary with letters as keys and numbers as value. Then in the next line, reverse dictionary, here is the magic. So this line loops through each key value pair in the dictionary and swaps them. And original items, here this gives us a pair like A1, B2, etc. Then the comprehension flips into 1A and so on. So as we can see, this gives the reverse dictionary output. And now let's dive into another example with names and ages. So again we'll take a dictionary. So this is a basic dictionary which displays the name and ages. And now we'll see what this gives us. So in this is the same logic but different content, and the keys were same, now they are the ages. So this is really common use case in real data. So now we'll see its output. So as we can see, the dictionary is reversed using comprehension. So this was the simple example in real data. And now, what if the values are not unique? So if the values are not unique means if the values are doubled, let's look at a scenario where the values are not unique. So again we'll create a different dictionary whose name is duplicate values, and we'll add some values, key and values to the dictionary. So here we have created a basic dictionary and we have repeated the value. We have kept keys in different, but we have repeated the values to check the duplicate in the dictionary. So now we'll print this and we can see its output. So as we can see here, this gave us the reverse dictionary. But what we see is we lost the x is equals to 1 mapping because both x and z had the value 1. So the last one z overrides the first. So this is how, if we are going to use duplicate dictionary in dictionary comprehension, so this will work like this. And now diving into the next example, let's see group keys in the list. So here we are taking a default dictionary. And now let's print this and check what is the output of this. So as we can see its output, so this is the way we collect all keys that map to the same values. So in today's video we learned that you can reverse a dictionary using vk for k and v in d.items, and always be careful if your values are not unique, and use default dictionary list to safely collect the duplicates and use it in real projects for better data lookup. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.